Hello everybody! In this video I'm going to make goat milk orange patchouli soap. Because I want to achieve orange color in this soap without adding any colorants, I am going to use yellow shea butter and olive oil infused with annatto seeds. If you don't have yellow shea butter, it's not a big deal. You can use only annatto seeds. If you don't have annatto seeds, you can use only shea butter, but the color is not gonna be that intense. It's gonna be very pale yellow. If you have only annatto seeds, the color is gonna be more intense yellow, but not that orange. Also, it's going to depend on how much you are gonna add olive oil infused with annatto seeds. In my case, I'm going to add 50 grams for this particular batch. Here's gonna be another factor that is going to participate in that darker color. It's patchouli. As you can see, orange is very light, but patchouli is a pretty dark oil. It's actually dark patchouli, and you can see how dark it is. On the top of all that, I'm going to use calendula powder, and I grow calendula in my garden, and then I dry it, I make powder, so it's awesome all around. And also it's gonna add even more to the color of the soap. And this is only 50 grams annatto infused olive oil. You can see how beautiful the color is. I'll do a little decoration on the top, and I will use cornflowers that I grow in my garden. Now, when my oils are done, when I'm done with everything, I will add lye to previously frozen milk. So I measured milk in the cup and put it in the freezer, and I was stirring it from time to time because I didn't want the cup to crack. And as you can see, it starts melting really fast. Even though I use patchouli in this recipe, it's not coming out really strong. Also, I wanted to suggest that you can add lemongrass essential oil, but very little, because the oil is very strong, and if you add a lot, orange will just vanish. I hope this video was useful for you. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.